Is YouTube TV replacing cable for good? For many people, yes. YouTube TV offers live TV without contracts, installation fees, or cable boxes. Everything streams over the internet, making it easier and more flexible than traditional cable. You can watch on phones, TVs, tablets, and even while traveling, you also get unlimited DVR, fast channel switching, and all your local channels. These features make it feel very similar to cable, but with more freedom. However, YouTube TV isn't perfect. Prices have gone up, and some people prefer cable bundles that include internet and TV together. Also, some regional sports networks aren't available on YouTube TV, which can be a drawback for local sports fans. So, is YouTube TV replacing cable? For many households, yes. It offers the same channels in a cheaper, more modern way. But for people who rely on certain local sports networks or want bundle discounts, cable still has a place. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple streaming tips.